There's our friend Butch. Hi, Butch. Good boy. What's he doing? Huh? Okay, bye. Are you gonna do me like that too? Hello, goodbye. It's a drive-by. Drive-by hello. Oh, you gonna come back? Oh, what a sweet boy. You know you got a leaf hanging down from your tummy? Oh, Butch, you're such a sweetie. What a sweet boy you are. You know, Abby's gonna come over here and yell at you pretty soon. Oh my gosh, so cute. You almost got it, huh? Oh, such a good boy. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Let's see if we can do a close up. There we go. That's my boy. The friendly neighborhood cat. Butch the Butch boy. Yep. I know, you're so handsome. And you're in love with my Abby Tabby. Oh, here we go. I know you want to yell at him. All right, Abby, come over here and yell. He's not scared of you through the glass. He knows you can't get him through the glass. Okay, bye. Boogity, boogity, boogity. No, that's a boy. That's a boy. Butchity, butchity, boo. Boo, boo, boo. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, yeah. That's a good play for you. Nice.